Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna show a really simple activity that you can prepare for your kids, okay? You just need a big container, just small containers like that, and some solid that it can be salt. In this case I'm using bath soap, but you can use anything that you have at home, okay? So this is a science experiment for the kids to perform. The objective is for the kids to identify the volume of the containers, okay? So they can, for example, figure out one small container and transfer. Then he can check how much the volume of this one can fit here or vice versa, okay? They also love to figure out up to the top and let them transfer like that. In this activity, you are practicing the science skills of observation, okay? So they can observe the difference between the volume, okay? You don't need to worry about explaining for them what's volume, it's not important, but they are experiencing it, okay? So when they are bigger, for example, this one didn't fit everything that I put inside though, so they are like amazing how come, because for them this is a big deal, okay? So this is really simple and the kids love to do that. They really love. I recommend you choose a container that is kind of deep like this one to not do a big mess, but mess is happens. So I recommend you to use a space at your home that the kids can play. And of course, if they do a mess, if they, for example, something goes outside, you ask them to clean up and put everything back, okay? This is part of their learning, okay? The cleanup is part of their learning, and also for them to be careful, okay? So this is all part of the process. So I highly recommend you to try this. They usually spend some minutes, sometimes hours, just with this because they love to do that. And you can use any material that you have at home, okay? It doesn't need to be this one. This one is nice because of the smell, so you are practicing their skills of smelling as well, but it's not required. You can use any material that you have, okay? So I'd like you to try it if possible, and please let me know how it goes, okay? Thank you so much for watching.